Hey everyone, thanks for checking out my video. This is a follow-up video 3 years after I made the last one. If you haven't seen the first one, it's not necessary, but it does show all the steps in me making it. I'll throw the link to that video up in the right hand corner of this one and in the description as well. So with that, let's check it out. So, not bad for 3 years, huh? I think we can all agree it looks like a pretty dope place to hang out. There's a bit to go over, and we can start with the signs and accessories. One of my good buddies has a friend who owns a bar, and he hooked it up with some extra promotional signs and accessories. Mostly noting the liquor signs and the bar mats. The signs helped tremendously to cover those horrid window shades that we weren't even allowed to take down. The epoxy has held up great for the most part. It's a tad dull, but that will be easy to revive. I've added some more pavers for behind the bar, because this room is weird. That portable ice machine is great to have so we don't have to keep leaving the room to get ice from the kitchen. So I created a signing board that I hung on the wall. Basically, anyone who visits our bar for the first time signs their name, and I think it adds great personality to the room. The living area is a nice place to relax, watch movies, and of course play games. I built the entertainment center myself, complete with 10 retro game consoles, all hooked up and ready to go at the push of a button. You probably noticed the second bar. I got the urge to build another, so I slapped one together in about a day. It's completely hollow on the other side, but its purpose was to fill that corner. I made sure it was the same height as the other one, and it's been treated with the same epoxy as well. Comfortably, I can fit about 12 people in the bar. Any more than that would get a bit crowded. This sunroom itself is climate controlled, which made it really nice for any season. Here I hung a large beam using chains and hooks for bottle displays. I'm definitely guilty of being one of those people who keeps old bottles. I had a neat light hooked up that didn't want to work. More bar accessories here. I made a custom menu for the stand. Of course, we ran out of stock pretty quickly. Bar mats help out a ton, so if you don't have any at your bar, I definitely recommend getting some for sure. I installed a speaker system that's Bluetooth compatible, so guests and myself can control the music right from our phones or tablets. The whole set was relatively inexpensive, and the speaker wires were stapled to the wall. That flag was actually a pain in my ass to hang. The ceiling on that side of the room is metal, and I didn't want to drill into it, so I ended up using hot glue and paper clips. It held up pretty well. It was just getting it to look right was the challenge. Now I want to show you what the bar looks like at night. So we bought a new home over the summer, and this isn't our bar anymore. I do have the bar set up on our new home, and it is a bit smaller, but it works well, and I've added some new features that weren't at the old bar. I intend to film another video on the new setup. I'm not sure when that's going to be, but you can definitely subscribe to this channel and turn those notifications on. I'll be happy to answer any questions you guys have in the comments, and again, thanks for watching.